Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the Google Maps app or Maps. Google. Com in your browser before you start. Grant location permission when prompted so the blue dot shows where you are. Tap the compass icon to center the map on your position and the blue beam to indicate heading. Use 2 fingers to pinch zoom for detail or spread to zoom out and see more area. Tilt and rotate the map with 2 fingers to align it with your surroundings and make navigation easier. Type the place name or address in the search bar and press enter. Review suggestions as you type to pick the correct result faster. Tap a result card to view the address, hours, phone number, photos, and ratings if available. Scroll within the card to find popular times and a brief description when provided. Save a location to a list, add a label, or tap share to send the place to another person for easy return visits. Tap the directions button, then choose driving, walking, transit, or cycling for route options. Add a starting point if it differs from your current blue dot before generating routes. Review route choices, distances, estimated time, and any tolls or transit transfers that may apply. Select Start to begin turn-by-turn guidance with voice prompts and a live ETA displayed on screen. For travel without data, open offline maps, draw the area to download.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.